Welcome. This is TechComSpot channel. We hope you are doing great. Thank you for watching. ImageMagick includes a number of command line utilities for manipulating images. Most of you are probably accustomed to editing images one at a time with a graphical user interface GUI with such programs as Gimp or Photoshop. However, a GUI is not always convenient. Suppose you want to process an image dynamically from a web script, or you want to apply the same operations to many images or repeat a specific operation at different times to the same or different image. For these types of operations, the command line image processing utility is appropriate. Please don't forget to subscribe and click like button.